I couldn't believe it. I said, no way.
When Angus Lethbridge cut these branches off his buckeye tree last October, he saved them in his backyard to burn in the spring.
Blooming out in leaves, look.
He was shocked to see the branches seemingly coming back to life as soon as temperatures began to warm up.
And now it's growing with no roots, no water, no nothing.
So are these zombie branches back to haunt Angus for cutting them down? I tracked down GrowingSeasonCanada.com's podcast host and horticulture expert Matt McFarland to get to the bottom of this.
These branches would have had a lot of water built up within the actual branching system, and then they would have gone dormant. So they wouldn't have even known that they were removed from the tree. So they've overwintered, and what happens is in the springtime, when a certain light threshold and a certain heat threshold is reached, there's a number of hormones in trees, in the limbs, specifically 5, but the main one is this one called auxin. It's like the big one. And it's stored in the outer tips of the limbs, so on the outer edges in the canopy, and this thing would have activated when a certain light threshold or a certain heat threshold was reached, and it would have told the tree to leaf out.
They were sitting out here all winter.
If left as is, the leaves would soon shrivel up and die, but McFarland says the branches could be saved if they were cut back to a brand new bud and replanted. You just need to use stem root, a rooting hormone, right below the cut.
Oh,
For now, they'll continue to shock and awe Angus and his neighbors.
and no root, no nothing.